Chapter 1, Section 3 is over squares and square roots. The main idea here is to find squares of numbers and square roots of perfect squares. A few vocab we need to cover before we start the section is the product of a number in itself is the square of a number. Perfect squares like 9, 16, and 225 are squares of whole numbers. The factors multiplied to form a perfect square are called square roots. And the radical sign that shows you an example is a symbol used to indicate the positive square root of a number. All right, so example 1, we're looking at find the square of 5. So we're going to multiply 5 times 5, which would equal 25. And this is showing you this is 25 square units. Down on letter A, 7 times 7 is squaring the number 7, and that would equal 49. And then to find the square of 21, you're going to go 21 times 21, and that equals 441. Square roots, it's going to look like a number with a radical under a radical sign. So the square root of 36 is 6 times 6. That equals 36, so the square root of 36 is just 6. Like on A, the square root of 64, well, you know 8 times 8 is 64, and 64, the square root of 64 is 8. Same thing on B. 23 times 23 is 529, and you know that the square root of 529 is 23. This number times this number equals this number. So you have to times this number by itself to get a number under the radical sign. And that is about square and square roots.